This is page 72, still on topic B, part 3, line and paragraph spacing.
You can adjust the amount of spacing between lines and paragraphs by using the options in the spacing section of the paragraph dialog box. I'm going to select my 2 paragraphs here, and I'm going to launch my paragraph dialog box launcher, and I want to be on the indents and spacing tab of the dialog box, and we're going to take a look at the spacing section on this tab. So your before spacing, this sets the amount of space before the selected paragraphs. So you can see I'm going to bring this up. It goes up in weird increments. I think it's powers of, multiples of 6. Goes up 6 points, then 12, 18. You can still type in a number directly in the box too if you can't get it with your spin arrows. But just to show you, it's giving you a little preview. You can see with the selected paragraph, the space before it is going to increase. So if I click OK here, it gave me extra space before this paragraph and extra space before this paragraph. All right. If I go back into the dialog box, I'm going to bring this back down to 0, and I'm going to set the after spacing. We'll bring that to 18 and click OK. So it gave me extra space after the reading is easier paragraph, and it's going to give me extra space after the themes and styles paragraph as well. All right, so that is the spacing before and after paragraphs. So you can see when I set it to 0 for both, they're kind of very close together here. You can almost not even tell where one paragraph ends and the next begins. So that's usually why you at least have 6 points between paragraphs, usually. Then you have your line spacing drop down to the right here. You can choose single space, so that's leaving no additional space in between the sentences in a paragraph. So the line spacing has nothing to do with the space between paragraphs. This has to do with the spacing between lines in a paragraph. Excuse me. So you can do single 1.5 lines. You can see that gives you a lot of extra space there. You can do double. So a lot of our, reference papers, term papers that we had to do in college, high school and college, they mainly had to be double spaced. You want that extra space between the lines in a paragraph. Then you have at least, and this sets the amount of space between the lines in the selected text, and the value entered in the at field here, you'll be able to specify exactly how much you want there. And then you have exactly or multiple of this as well. Okay, so all of these are your paragraph. This is your paragraph spacing, and this is your lines between each paragraph, right?
Our next video will be activity 2.5 on page 73.